So for the people who would like to learn a skill, you can DM me. Like I said, if you have a daughter, you have a little niece, whomever, I'm teaching from age 12 and up. All right, so I'm gonna make the wish list and see how that goes. All right, yes, it is online. It is going to be online, but I'm also going to be doing one-on-one. So let's say you don't get it the first time, you don't have to worry. You can rejoin. My classes are very affordable. I don't know if I'm going to let you guys subscribe to the classes or just pay me directly. We can do it here or we can do it over Zoom. And I'm going to tell you the things that you're going to be needing to start. So you know you're going to need comb. You're going to need a model. So you're either going to come with somebody head or you're going to come with this. You need to spend your money and buy a mannequin head or come with your model. This is going to change your life. So all I know is stung a yard and nothing now go on for no. Go now for a suck penis for $5 for Lasco. I'm gonna stop that for you guys. No can do one head and charge one $3,000, $4,000, especially in Jamaica. The one them up here, I'm gonna give you prices too. You know, I'm gonna give you prices that you guys can charge. You can't lose. You cannot lose. I'm gonna teach you guys the basic, the proper way, and that one of the most important thing is to be the part. Be the part means you have to look like what you do. You have to look like the beautician that you are. You have to smell like the beautician that you are. It does not take money to look good or to smell good. I'm telling you, you can buy one cheap cologne, one cheap body wash, just be it. Shave out the ear them from underneath your arm, brush your dirty thinking teeth, goggle, use peroxide in your mouth. Proper hygiene. Alright? Now, do we have any questions? Moderator, add some people. Let me see what I'm saying because I'm about to go. Hungry and kill me. Hungry and kill me. It never make no sense. My beg on nothing. Can't now give me nothing. So, I just come and I try this. I'm never going to is phone only because support if you not can. If you not support me, then me have to go find something else to do. You don't know me ever find something else to do. Because right now, I'm very stressed out. So, we don't have no question? I don't like turn up in because when I turn up, I'll do a take picture of me. I'm a camera. So, we don't have no more questions. Is it braiding you are teaching? I'm teaching braiding. I'm teaching updo, I'm teaching locks, I'm teaching interlock, I'm teaching twists, I'm teaching weaving, anything natural hair. That's what I will be teaching. The costs, I don't know yet, you know. I want to see how many persons I have. It won't be expensive. It is something that you can afford. But the only thing, you're going to have to come with your head because you have to do practical. Theory is easy. It's just me talking and telling you what you need to do. You're going to need 2 to 3 combs. You're going to need the shine and jam. You're going to need hair braid. Very soon you'll see my new hair. Shine and Jump that you guys can purchase. No, you're interested? No problem. Just send me a DM. I'll look over your DM later. Now let me explain another thing to you. Have you ever... You have a niece who's interested too? Okay, so that's good. I'm gonna check out and see how much is the cost and how long. But you guys will get certificates, and then you can start from your WhatsApp. You can start with family member, with friends. You can start with people in your community. Okay. Now, and I'll always be here for you guys, just in case you guys want promos. I'll do free promos for everyone who attend my class. All right, just remember that I said it, because sometimes I can't remember what I say. Now, you know when you have two different color braids, I'm gonna teach you guys how to mix those colors to get a specific color. So if you have, all right, for instance, this did not come like this. I actually mixed it. You understand? I mixed it. So this is another tea segment that you're gonna love. You guys are gonna love mixing. What? When we mix black with purple, that's nice. We mix black with blonde, that's nice. We mix 27 with 30. We mix red with white. We mix red with black. We mix. If you have, you know who would be good for these classes? Your teenagers. Hello? Yeah. Your teenagers would be good for these. Wow, I have 2 person interested already. That's great. So maybe we could start with 5. So I'm going to think of a price and come back and tell you guys, okay? And I want to do something very reasonable for starting, something that you guys can afford, okay? So you will make the down payment, and then as you go, like every week, you will, it's just like a school. It would be like a school. If you have the money one time, you pay it one time. My best advice is, instead of you coming on TikTok and scrolling every day,
Hi, Binga. Good morning.
How are you, Ziggy?
Not real fine, but
Talk to me. What is the problem?
Boy, I can hear about you, don't know.
Hello? Yeah. Ziggy, I'm leaving, I'll soon come back. Hungry kill me. I beg them something to buy one sandwich and then I'll give me.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, top girl can't give a top man. Big sci-fi.
So you can buy me a sandwich?
Oh, my friend named Sci-Fi, as long as he fuck you.
Well, here the thing, no. That's the problem. That now go on because for me,
I'm sorry, Binga. I'm saying married.
You will out to think, you understand?
A top man, me give you. Yes, spoil you. Anything, start the match. Where you are now? Man, money on me.
One sandwich.
One sandwich?
Mm-hmm.
Sci-Fi, she need one sandwich. How much is sandwich again?
The sandwich of $14 and the delivery fee of $7, and then one next fee of $14, $15, $16, $17, $18, $19, $20, $21, $22, $23, $24, $25, $20, about $27.
$27, I want to get one kitten. After I go over $25, sir. So you come home, they don't spoil it and take care of you.
So one song which gonna spoil me.
Think anybody now for no.
Ziggy, me really look like them Yamid girl and them
No,
girl that walk with me something on the fairy dance.
No, Fliga. You know that you look good every time we see this one. White up lip and so you understand, get to that good something. Yeah.
Ah!
See it? Money make girl.
Boss!
The way you say no,
Thank you!
where you say no.
Oh, wow.
But sci-fi, I tell you, a top man, me I give, and I give a waste, man.
Oh, sci-fi, thank you so much for that, Will. Thank you so much, sci-fi. Guys, give sci-fi a follow for me, please.
So where say I go? Boss, so.
Let me ask you something. Me, as much as they over here give me, man, you ever see no boy have no proof and nothing with me, say him me a mockers for them, or them
Hey, who over that call them mockers?
No, me I ask you, cause I want to know if you see me something right here, so you see me something right here, so?
Bring out you look good, man. Every time I see I see come to mind, just want to get to it. The best place for earth. Look now, you see them eye, needle eye, but no hole, full of gumshot, look at the bird in them fly.
You know, Ziggy, you're not the wrong feel.
Oh.
Why you not try comedian?
Oh.
It would have fit you, you know, try comedy. Think about it. You see me, anything me tell people to do, it work for them. Right now, I'm over here teach some girl.
So like, to be a joker? So be a joker?
Right now, I'm over here, I'm going to teach some girl where I sell pussy a back road and I suck good for one last go. Oh, a skill me there I teach them girl I know. And when they're done, them are gonna look better than me and better than me on this ear business, yeah.
Chat. So one double, I beg you something on chat. Bring on, I love seeing when I tell you now. Nah, girl, no bring on. See. You talk so much boy and every day we see us a win. Yeah, keep up, you know, like, you know, winning girl, pay buzz. Every day we see you look like one bad.
Why, is it coming like you love this screen recording them with me, are you?
Bring a screen record, the old me, are you? So many sin on.
What you're doing now, people are recording what you're saying to me, and you know they're going to fix it for them where.
So bring her, so like me I tell, you know, look good girl.
You think you know to me have my man?
Yeah. That's how I like you.
You like me because me have my man? Ziggy, let me go over this again with you.
Precise.
May I go over this again with you? Ziggy, me have my man. Me nice man.
That's why I like you. And your bumper the proper size.
But me not going to cheat for my man.
Nah, but cheat him now for no. Still pay your tour.
Then I saw me careless.
Not careless. Some good fuck up, good out.
So how you know some man now give me that?
Bring her, me alone have the wine I ask to all of them.
Did you know something I want nothing? When it come on to my man?
Bring her. So I put up sit down for mood. I have a special wine and me alone.
Me have a special, me have my own too when I sit down pan too.
Bring her, look now, bring her. Look this up. So I come so. Yeah, I tell me say you love me. You believe me?
So you really think me big great to an 45-year-old girl? You think that me not used to wood?
No, Uma, listen to me, you don't understand. You forgot all them fucking them. And the man says, sit down, look at the lady. Me have to slam like chase him and greedy. Yeah, it's like
Turn style and what is? Ziggy.
Girl, baby.
Guys, thank you everybody so much. Ziggy, later.
Bring her where I go.
The match done.
I'm sorry for you, spoil the way I run go.
MVP Sci-Fi Selena Debbie Summer.
Friends, my friend, them love you.
They do?
Of course.
Oh, what you answer to me?
For me, love you, kill him, I love you, Binga. Believe that, man.
What can go so, right?
Bling, you know, say if I mean a good click, them more fall right on. Then you can't talk about.
Blingy, later, you know, look like me. I go beg the sandwich.